If your carpet ain't leaving these lines in the vacuum, then it's time to get a new one. I've been seeing this Eureka vacuum. I got my hands on one. The suction is crazy. I'm already deep cleaning my house before the new year because we're not finna go into the new year with a dirty house. So I started off with my couches. Y'all see how dirty it was? I love my cordless vacuums, but this one you actually plug into the wall and it's just doing everything that them cordless vacuums can. I could vacuum my carpet, my couches, my car, my wood floors, all with one vacuum. And I already know what you're thinking. You gotta plug it into the wall, which means you gotta deal with the wires. With this vacuum, all you gotta do is just push a button and it retracts right back into the house. It has brushes at the bottom for carpet. Then when you're gonna vacuum your hardwood floors, a towel, you push this button and it takes the brushes away. I really like how the attachment's installed on the vacuum so you don't gotta worry about losing it. Every single time I use this vacuum in my rooms, it picks up so much dirt and dust that were stuck in my carpet. And as you can see here, it cleaned my couches good. I'm telling you, the suction on this vacuum is crazy. Like, if you look it up about how crazy the suction is, they are on a crazy sale right now. I have never seen them this cheap, so you better go get you one before they raise those prices back up. Look how much stuff was stuck in my carpet and in my couch. Yo, that is crazy. I'll have these down below. You guys want to go check them out.